guys, we're a bit hungover this morning and we need to blow the cobwebs away, so we're going to go to the beach for a walk. It's a lovely sunny day, so let's go and then we'll head back to bed. I promised Joe that I would get him a coffee if he came with me, so that's where we're on our way to first. Get a coffee and then we're going to paddle and see, right? Yeah, a paddle. Dip our toes, yeah. That's right, so let's go and get a coffee and maybe a smoothie for me or something. I don't know, we'll see when we get there. And can I have a mango frappe, please?
We actually don't have mango.
Oh.
We got
Tropical.
tropical?
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. Drinks secured, tropical frappe and a latte. A little latte, let's taste it. Nice. Obviously. Nice. I need some sugar, I'm starting to get a hungover headache and I don't like it. Yeah?
That's it. Go on.
I hate coffees.
No.
No. Anyway, we're going to drink this and then go for a walk. Beach is closed because of sharks, although it's only. We're having a lovely walk still.
Yeah.
This is the hangover cure, I fear. Going to the beach, having a walk. But we both really want to go for a swim. We might go to the pool over there later, but we'll see. Maybe go back to the beach. Right, we're off back now, back home. Although I would like to go to the pool and sit in the sun and go swimming. I do love swimming stuff, so maybe we'll